Hey guys, and assalamualaikum. Hey, guess what? It's a giveaway time. Yay! Sorry because I'm the one who get excited. Today's Malaysia already have started GST, so don't be sad because today's Squishy Kawaii Champ store want you guys to be happy because she's doing a giveaway. FYI, I'm not the owner of Squishy Kawaii Champ stores, and all the prizes are full sponsored by her. I'm just her assistant, helping her about review, promotions, and this giveaway. So, as usual, please read the full rules down below on the description box. And this time, please be excited because Squishy Kawaii Champ Store opened this giveaway also for outside Malaysia. Please be excited. But she only opened for a certain country only, like Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, Thailand, and of course Malaysia. So if you guys from Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, Thailand, and Malaysia, please join this giveaway. Maybe it's your chance or your luck to win this such a huge giveaway for Squishy Kawaii Champ Store. And yeah, before I proceed, please again read the rules at the description box before enter, because I don't want you guys to PM or ask me for the rules. And yeah, no more further ado, let's see what is the prize that she wants to give to you guys. At first, she wants to give away this May May replica with the Lucio the Petit Zaya tag. Isn't this adorable? So you guys will got this squishy. And second, she will give it away this licensed Hello Kitty cupcake, which is so cute. Just ignore the price tag. So you guys will have that. Then you guys also will got this My Melody cupcake. And also you guys will gonna win this Sammy the Patissier ice cream sandwich. Here's the tag. Then you guys also will get this replica powder Hello Kitty donut. Then you guys also will get this Rilakuma caterpillar braid. And I think you guys will be crazy for this squishy. Ta-da! English braid, you guys, from Aoyama, Tokyo. She will giving away this English braid. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, let's see how squishy and slow rising is this English braid. So you guys will have this squishy. Yeah. Then you guys also will get this cute Hello Kitty power bank. Look how cute is she. And also you guys will have this starter SIM pack from Cellcom. But if you guys from outside Malaysia, you will not get this SIM pack because you guys can't can use in your country. So yeah, please remember that. So last but not least, you guys will get this self picture monopod. But this is not only just a monopod, because this is only this is also a tripod. So you guys can make a video with this stand. Look, monopod and tripod. Wow. Well, so you guys will get this. Okay, I will show you guys all the price that you will get, and yeah, you guys will get all this squishy and this thing. So isn't that interesting? Please do join this giveaway, and please read all the rules in the description box down below, and good luck. Bye.